Himalayan rock salt, kale and tomato salad. A mixture of fresh green kale, juicy red tomatoes and Tata Salt Rock Salt. The hero of the dish is of course the kale. Tear it with ease and toss it into the bowl. Let each leaf off, letting it join some perfectly sliced tomatoes. Shh! We are about to add in our secret ingredient, an orange reduction that gives every bite a tangy, zesty appeal. Don't tell anyone. Then pour in just a spoonful of oil. Now, for a little bit of spice, sprinkle some pepper. And finally, let the crushed Tata Salt Rock Salt rain down across our creation, maximizing every individual flavor. Serve and devour immediately.